Hello everyone. In the last video, we have solved one problem on the soil water relationships. In this video, we'll solve one more practice question. So, first, just read the question. A sample of dry soil weighs 68 grams. That means he has given weight of solids is equal to 68 grams. Why weight of solids? Because it is a dry soil, no water is there. So find the volume of voids if the total volume of the sample is 40 ml. So total volume he has given how much? 40 ml. 40 ml, or it's also equal to 40 cc. 1 ml equal to 1 cc. 1 ml is equal to 1 cc. So find the volume of voids. So volume of voids need to be calculated, that is the unknown, and the specific gravity of solids is 2.65. so GS is equal to 2.65. GS is equal to 2.65. so determine the void ratio. So we have to find out two unknowns in this question. So one is the volume of voids, second one is the void ratio. So this question can be solved in two ways. Both ways I'll discuss. First we'll solve by one method. In the second part we'll solve in the other method. So what we have to do? So based on the given data, what can be found out easily, that we will be finding out, and that should be relevant to the given parameters. So weight of solids is given and total volume is given. That means we can find out gamma D. So gamma D is equal to this weight of solids divided by volume, total volume. Weight of solids is 68 gram divided by total volume will be 40 cc. 68 divided by 40. So 1.7 gram per cc. 1.7 gram per cc. So E is equal to, we know one relationship, G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. So G value he has given 2.65 into gamma W. It should be 1 because we are considering in gram per cc. So gamma D value just now we found out 1.7 minus 1. 1.7 minus 1. 2.65 divided by 1.7 minus 1. 0.558. 0.558 means 0.56 we can consider. 0.56 we can consider. So E value we found out. So E value how much it is? Coming around 0.56 we consider. 0.56 inch we consider. So we know one parameter that has been asked in the problem is calculated. E value is calculated. Now we have to find out volume of voids. So if you see the definition of E is equal to volume of voids by volume of solids, but here we don't know volume of solids. So that means we can find N is equal to volume of voids by total volume. Total volume we know, but N we don't know, but N can be found out because we have E value. So if you multiply N and total volume, then we will get the volume of voids. So that only we are doing. So N is equal to E by 1 plus E. E by 1 plus E. So 0.56 divided by 1.56, it is coming around 0.358. 0.358. Yeah, 0.358. So if we substitute N here and if we multiply it with total volume, then volume of voids can be found out. That only I am writing here. So volume of voids is equal to porosity, that means N value 0.358 into total volume what has been given in the problem, 40 cc, 40 ml or 40 cc. 0.358 into 40, so 14.32. Volume of voids is equal to 14.32. So this is one method of solving volume of voids, means this question, this, and also volume of voids also. Now I'll show you the other method. Yeah, so specific gravity of soil solids is given. So GS is equal to, this is method 2, this is method 2 I'm mentioning here. So G is equal to, we know, gamma S by gamma W, unit weight of the soil solids to the unit weight of water. That means standard liquid, here we are considering a water in the definition of specific gravity. So we are taking gamma W value. So gamma S by gamma W. Gamma S is equal to Ws by Vs into gamma W is there. So what we know, G value we know 2.65 and Ws we know 68. So G value 2.65 is equal to Ws. Ws is how much? 68 grams. 68 grams divided by volume of solids we don't know, that is volume of solids only. Gamma W is 1 gram per cc. 1 gram per cc. Since it has, its value is not given in the problem. So 2.65 we can directly find. So volume of solids is equal to 68 divided by 2.65, 25.66 ml cc. So volume of solids we found out, and we know total volume also. So volume of voids is equal to total volume minus volume of solids. Since total volume is equal to volume of voids plus volume of solids. So total volume, how much he has given in the problem? 40 minus 40 ml. 40 ml or 40 cc. So volume of solids, how much we found out? 25.66. 40 minus 25.66. 14.34 cc. So volume of voids also we found out. Volume of voids also we found out. So we know volume of voids and volume of solids. In the question, E value only we have to find out. E value is equal to volume of voids to the volume of solids. The ratio of volume of voids to the volume of solids. Volume of voids 14.34 cc divided by volume of solids 25.66. So E value is equal to divided by 25.66, 0.558, 0.558, that means 0.59 only. Okay, this is one way of solving. So we have solved in method 1 and we have solved in method 2 also. So whichever the method is comfortable for you, that you can adopt in the question. But the thing is, any question can be solved in any number of ways. That so which logic has to be used and which parameter has to be calculated first, that will come with experience and if you solve more and more number of questions. So thanks for watching my video. If you feel the content is useful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.